So I'll show you how to put the bobbin into a bobbin case. So in general, you'll see the bobbin will always be like that. Either it's any brand of the embroidery machine you see, it'll have an opening up here, and then in some bobbin cases may or may not have that kind of spring in here, but typically it will be like, you know, similar of mechanism. So what you do is you take the bobbin and then you hold it in a way that you see bobbin thread winding counterclockwise and unwind clockwise. Hold it like that. What I do is, like kind of easier way, I will pinch that thread between my ring band there, and then hold the bobbin like that. Now I'll hold the bobbin case. That opening should facing up, and I will thread this into here. So the wind is counterclockwise. Okay, counterclockwise. So when you pull the thread out, you'll see the bobbin is rotating counterclockwise. So that's a really good way to put the thread in, to put the bobbin into the bobbin case. So, and then once you do that, you'll see a small groove here. So you take the thread, sleeve the thread through that groove, and then pull the thread underneath this tab, and then it comes through this hole here, and then you take them, advance it a little bit, and just a couple of circles on that spring. If you don't have that spring, doesn't matter, it will still kind of take the bobbin, the needle will still take the bobbin thread with this mechanism. But if you have the spring, just put one or two wind there, and it's all done. And now I'll show you how to put that bobbin case back into the machine. So for that, here I have that. So hold the bobbin like that tab, like, you know, you can pull that tab like that, so that opening facing up, and that tab is 90-degree angle facing right, and then you, with that into that pole here, you put this hole into this pole, and when you do that, so you just do that, and then with a little push you'll hear a click. That means it's done. There. So it's done, and then just close the shutter and we're good to go.